Everyone knows that you can make a lot of money reselling on Amazon, but have you considered buying from Amazon to resell on Amazon? Let me explain. Now, I know that may sound confusing, but periodically on Amazon, there will be sales that go on. And I'm not talking about 10 to 15% off. I'm talking about sometimes sales of upwards of 65 and 70% off. Now, sometimes these sales will be done by the retailer themselves. They'll be done by just a wholesale supplier that's out there. They may be done by Amazon themselves, or they may even be done by a third-party seller such as myself. Now, the reasoning from this or for this can vary, but the key is whenever this happens, you have to jump on it and buy as much of that product as you can. Because if you use tools like I'll show you in this video, like Seller Amp and like Keepa, then you'll be able to see a trend and you'll be able to buy these products at the low and then hold them for a bit and sell them when prices return to the norm, which is upwards of 50 to 70% higher. I have a great example in this box that I just purchased that I posted on the Juiced app. If you guys aren't using the Juiced app, and I'm not really sure what you're waiting on, you should try it out. It's linked down below, first link in the description. And you know what? Because you're a part of the YouTube family here, because you're subscribed to the channel, I know you are, make sure you're subscribed. But since you are subscribed to the channel, we're going to let you try the Juiced app for 14 days for free. This isn't like one of those things where we try to get you into a long-term commitment. This is literally us letting you try the best reselling software out there, completely free, no catch, for 14 days. So take advantage, use the link down below, join up, use the Juiced app, 14-day free trial. Let me show you what's in this box and how you missed it, and what you could be doing if you were using the Juiced app and reselling on Amazon. Now, in this box, I have a bunch of Lego Halloween cat things. Now, I don't know how many I got. It's however many is in this box times a couple, because I have a couple boxes. Let me show you what this was selling for, what I purchased it for, and what our plans are going to be to make money with these Lego cat Halloween things. Let me get you on the screen, show you where I posted this in the Juiced app, and then we'll take a look at the data behind why I posted it. All right, now that we're in the Juiced app, and if you guys haven't seen it before, this is the Juiced app. This is what I've been talking about, and you guys should definitely join up. Again, you guys can see this is the first thing that is posted in the toys category. That's because it's the most recent thing that's been posted in there, and that post was made by yours truly. Now, all of this stuff is posted in the app. We link where you can buy it, and then we link, some sales to back up what we're talking about. So you guys can see that if I were to click on this, it would take us to the Amazon purchase screen. Now, you may notice that I listed this, that you should buy it for $12.99. Well, you may be confused why it's over here at $25.06. Not to worry. This is just a featured offer. If you go down here, you can still catch some of these at $12.99 that are added by Amazon down here. If you guys just click on other sellers, you guys will see that boom, there it is, $12.99. It's still up from Amazon. Now, the key is we want to take this ASIN number right here, and this is where my research comes into play. Now, the cool thing about using Seller Amp, the tool that I use, is you get all of these neat statistics and all of that, but we don't really care about any of this over here. The first thing that we want to look at is right here. This big thing right here. This shows you everyone who has offers right now of this product. You'll notice that the first thing at the top is Amazon. This is Amazon selling this Lego set for $12.99. You'll see that the stock is down to 20. Whenever I first bought this, I believe it was over 300 plus. Now, there's only 20 left. And after that 20 is gone, Amazon's not going to restock. It's going to move on to the next seller. And the next seller has this listed at $25.06. Now, if you were to take that and sell it right now at $25.06, you would make a decent amount. you'd make $4.07. You'd make a 31% margin, which honestly, that's all I look for whenever I'm finding items like this. You could do that. Or if you wanted to wait, you could, and wait until this gets back to its normal price. All of these offers right here are people who just purchased the product at $12.99, same as I did. But that's not what it has been at for a long time now. For a while, this product was selling for a lot more than what it is now. You guys can look and see. This thing went on sale right here. Here's when it went on sale, Tuesday, August 1st. And you guys can see that Amazon was selling it for $12.99. The lowest price other than them was $27.99, and the lowest FBA was $37.99. Now, if we go back just a bit before this went on sale, let's just go back a little bit to, let's go back 1 month. Let's go to Thursday, June 1st. The only two listings were for $63.99 and $89. Now you could get this set for $12.99. And yeah, right now, you'll have to compete with all these people who are offering this at an extremely low price. But what happens when all of these get bought out and then you're just left again with the $50 and the $60 offers? People aren't going to stop buying this Lego kit. There's over 900 sales per month. That's how we know that this is a high moving item. Next month and the month after, they're going to move even quicker because Halloween is coming up. And this is a great toy to have in your home, I guess, for Halloween. I don't know. But we want to buy this now. And if you guys were using the Juiced app, you would have seen that this would have been posted inside the app, and you would have got it at $12.99, just like I posted on August 1st. I said the risk factor was a 0, and I mean that. Because in just a few short days, you'll be able to sell it for $4 profit if that's what you want to do. Or you can hold it and try to maximize your profit like I'm going to. All of this stuff, though, is being done in the Juiced app. You can find all of these items here that I am posting each and every day. I am posting at least 2 items every day, except for Sunday. Praise God. I am posting 2 items every single day. So if you guys want to check this out, you can check it out using the link down below. Sign up for the Juiced app. It is 100% free, and you'll get a 2-week free trial. And you will get all of these great leads posted by all of our great staff people, including myself. So I look forward to seeing you guys inside of the Juiced app. Be sure to take advantage of that free trial. It won't be down there forever. Sign up. I'll see you guys there. Have a great rest of your Friday. Look out for another video tomorrow, and be safe this weekend. Soul Stay from Juiced. Signing out.